Ever wondered what it would be like to control the mood of your room with just your voice? Welcome to the future of home lighting solutions, where the power to create a world of color is literally at your fingertips. Introducing the HomeMate Wi-Fi RGB+CCT Smart LED Strip Lights. This isn't just about lighting up a room, it's about transforming your space into a vibrant palette of mood-enhancing hues. HomeMate, a brand renowned for its quality and innovation, brings you this multicolor, remote-controlled LED light strip. But the real magic begins when you download and install the HomeMate Smart app. This is your control center, your personal wand to navigate through the 16 million colors and tunable white options ranging from warm 3000K to cool 6500K. With a few taps on your smartphone, you can change the atmosphere of your room in an instant. Now let's dive into the exciting features of this smart home lighting solution. Imagine having 16 million colors and tunable white light ranging from a warm 3000K to a cool 6500K at your disposal. With the HomeMate Wi-Fi RGB+CCT Smart LED strip lights, you can create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Whether you're setting the mood for a cozy evening with a book or throwing a vibrant party, you have a symphony of colors to choose from. You can transform your space into a tranquil oasis with soft blues and greens, or a festive playground with bold, dynamic hues. The options are as limitless as your imagination. You can even adjust the color temperature of the white light to match your mood or the time of day. From the soft, comforting glow of early morning sunshine to the crisp, energizing light of midday, the power to tailor your lighting environment is literally at your fingertips. But that's not all. The smartness of this lighting solution goes beyond colors. What if you could command your room to light up, change colors, or dim the brightness with just your voice? Welcome to the future, where your home listens and obeys your every command. With HomeMate Wi-Fi RGB+CCT Smart LED Strip Lights, your wish is Alexa or Google's command. These lights are not just smart, they're brilliant. Compatible with both Alexa and Google devices, you can control your lighting environment without lifting a finger. Want to set the mood for a cozy movie night? Just say the word. Need to brighten up your space for a late-night study session? Your devices are ready to respond, and it's not just about individual commands. You can group multiple devices together to create a symphony of light that performs a function. Imagine walking into your home after a long day, and with just a simple command, your living space transforms into a sanctuary of soothing lights. And there's one more feature that will make your lighting experience truly immersive. What if your lights could dance to your favorite music? Now, with the HomeMate Wi-Fi RGB+CCT Smart LED Strip Lights, they can. This isn't just about smart lighting, it's about creating an immersive, multi-sensory experience right in your home. The standout feature that truly sets these lights apart is the music sync. Thanks to a built-in sensitive microphone that's been professionally tuned, these lights can smoothly and without delay follow the rhythm of your music. Whether it's a pulsating beat, a soothing melody, or a rousing symphony, these lights can dance along, transforming your room into a visual concert. And what's more, controlling this spectacle is as easy as a tap or a voice command. Whether you prefer using the controller button, the HomeMate Smart app, or even Alexa, you have the power to orchestrate this light show right at your fingertips. Experience a whole new world of smart lighting with HomeMate Wi-Fi RGB+CCT Smart LED Strip Lights, available now on Amazon India.